Okay.
Hey guys, Jason Newell here with 303 Insurance Brokers. Hope you're all doing real well today. What I wanted to share with you this week for my blog post is talking about the main components of a homeowner's policy. The biggest group of clients that I help is first-time home buyers. And with that, a lot of times I'm breaking down a home insurance policy for the first time for them. So I wanted to cover the 5 main components for you today. Those components is your coverage A, which is the dwelling. The first thing we need to do is figure out how much it would take to rebuild your home back to the condition that it's in. We're not worried about the value of the land. We're not worried about the foundation, but what it would take to rebuild your house on top of the existing foundation. A lot of times we're going to utilize proprietary software from each of our carriers to identify what that correct amount is. The second coverage we're going to focus on is coverage B, which is separate structures. Separate structures focuses on if you have a detached garage or your fence, or if you have a shed in your yard. What do those detached structures look like? How are those insured underneath the primary home policy? The third thing we look at is personal property. We want to make sure that we have enough insurance dollars to replace your personal belongings. That's going to be your furniture, your electronics, your clothing, but also includes things like your washer and dryer, your refrigerator, and a lot of times your stove if it's removable. We'll follow that up with loss of use. In the event of a significant claim and you aren't able to live in your home, you still have a mortgage that you have to pay. So your insurance is going to give you dollars to go out and find a comparable living situation for up to 12 months or 24 months. We want to help make sure we've got the right amount of money for that. The third one is going to be your liability coverage. You know, if somebody slips and falls in your house or your dog attacks the mailman, we want to make sure that we've got liability coverage to protect your home in the event that there's an accident that happens or you get sued for something. So if you have any interest in making sure that your property is properly protected, please feel free to reach out to me for a complimentary review. Jason with 303 Insurance Brokers.